This lesson is going to review transitive and intransitive verbs. And really, this is taking what you already know about action verbs and direct objects and just taking them one step farther. So let's take a look. First of all, a transitive verb is an action verb that has a direct object. So take a look at the sentence at the bottom of the screen. The boy found his book under the bed. Found is the action verb. Found what? Book. So that's the direct object. Because found has a direct object, it's a transitive verb. An intransitive verb is an action verb that does not have a direct object. So let's take a look at the sentence at the bottom of the screen. I read very quickly. Read is the action verb, but when you ask yourself the question, read what? There's no answer. It doesn't have a direct object. Because the verb does not have a direct object, that means it's intransitive. So again, transitive verbs have direct objects. Intransitive verbs do not. Let's do some practice. If you are asked whether a verb is transitive or intransitive, these are the steps we need to do. First, look at your sentence. Some paleontologists work in teams. Step 1, find the verb, just like we did in that earlier lesson with direct objects. If you said that the verb is work, you are absolutely correct. Now, ask yourself the question, work what? Were you able to find an answer? Probably not. There's not one there. So that means, since there's no direct object, this is an intransitive verb. Let's do another practice. I will measure the footprint carefully. Again, step 1, find the verb. This sentence has a verb phrase, will measure. Measure is the action verb, will is the helping verb. Next step, find the direct object, if there is one. Remember to do that, ask yourself the question, will measure what? Did you say footprint? If so, you're correct. So, this sentence has a direct object. Since it has a direct object, it is a transitive verb. Again, this is just building on your previous lesson. All you need to do is check to see if a sentence has a direct object. If the verb does, it's transitive. If it doesn't, it's intransitive.